Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man.
No, I don't know.
The man shot the woman.
Shop or shot?
Shot the man.
Shooter. Oh.
The man. Well, go on.
So the
Over the church is coming up over one.
officer measure distance between intersection and bodies, I guess.
When gone. One of the twins.
What else happened?
Is that one just like you, just forward by seed?
Here says a warden shoot him wife and him girlfriend.
Wife and girlfriend, so
yeah.
two of them?
Two of them get shot. Ex-girlfriend. That sounds like some mix-up. Oh, this is his car right there.
Yeah, catching car.
And then walk on this and shoot her.
Turn around, must have killed himself right at the same time.
But there's another lady that died.
The people that died.
No, I heard there's another woman. There's two women.
One.
One woman.
Yeah, because according to what I heard, he came out the car and just said, you must see her walk.
So you exit that car.
No, you come out the car and see her walk.
So that's his car right there, the Nissan. Right.
And I follow her by the time she reaches so.
Yeah.
I heard somebody told me, say that the baby was telling me, run, Daddy, run, you have a gun.
Right.
So by the time the water reaches some
Yeah.
then he must have made a U-turn to walk away.
Right.
And then decided to
shoot himself.
You see the woman
Where's his body? That's his body right on there?
together.
Right.
So what happened? I think the woman left him, of course, whatever. The woman left
Oh, left him.
and moved down. Yeah, so.
Oh.
And then see her go work and come out the car. Right, so
God have mercy.
walk right around the corner.
This is what, woodpecker right here? Woodpecker Waltham. Mercy, sir. Vehicle coming along.
On the 10th of April 2019 at Woodpecker Avenue off Waltham Park Road, St. Andrew, 2 correctional officers died in the event of a murder-suicide. It has been reported that the man parked his car at a certain place around a corner, went around the corner and killed his wife. Speculations are that it is because of problems within and amongst them in their relationship. You see me? So here I have another footage of the father of the wife that has been murdered, you know, with the daughter of the same lady, and this is what he has to say. Observe.
My name is Melford Clark. This is my granddaughter, Patricia. Daughter. I understand that the husband gets in a rage, shoot my daughter and shoot himself. It's a hard pill to swallow, but I'm a godly man. And I leave everything to God. I'm going up to the church to get prayer.
Well, alright, there you have it. You don't know, so this Skilla is going to keep you posted. Make you see what go on, you see me I say, in social media and the stream, you see me I say, you don't know a thing already. Alright, so if you like how we present my videos to you, just leave a comment and to stay up to date, you know what I mean? Just click the subscribe button and so on. My name is Skilla, and this one I just bring to you is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.